Good morning, everybody. There we are, me and look at these. Everybody knows where I am if they ever traveled 87 south. Love that. I love that log cabin right there. Look at that one, huh? Oh, we got a little excavator right here.
Bad hand is from my pawpaw. I got a man with an outlaw. Now I can only sing like I talk, y'all.
All right, that jam session's over. So Max, tell everybody what state we going to?
New Jersey.
New Jersey. And what are we going to look at?
Dump truck.
Whoa! Dump trucks. Yep. Stay tuned. Find out what we are going to see. Or look out or buy. I don't know. Gotta look first, right? Okay. So
a bright red.
Bright red? You're giving away. Ooh, he's saying it's bright red. Alright, we'll check back in a bit. Alright, here's Max's favorite video.
I'm walking alone, streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.
He likes that. What kid doesn't like motorcycles, huh? Sing it, Max. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. Good times, road trip. We're getting there. And yeah, look at the Catskill Mountains of New York in the distance. It is spectacular down here. So this is the way to New York City. I'm about from our shop 2 hours from the city, which we're almost in Jersey now. So we'll check back in a bit. He likes the wheelie in.
Don't like down the sky. Ain't nothing listen to nature dead. And the joke is here. I've been flying from town to town, through the runner to Saigon. I've been all around the globe, to take your soul.
Nice. All right, we'll check back in a bit.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe, trying to
take your soul.
15 minutes left and my partner's out. All right. Look at this. Boy, has this guy got a fleet, huh? I think I could pick and choose which one I want. They're all the same make and model, as you can see.
Dad, I want red.
Check back in a bit. We got more over here. Different colors. Nice. All right, so these are the two trucks that are for sale. Both T800s, 2013s with the Cummins motors. Basically same spec, same everything, you know, original dump trucks. He's got mega dump trucks here, and every empty spot that's missing has a truck. It's just working today. So yeah, it's I'm gonna go through it right now. Just like I said, I'm just looking at the outside. Obviously there's bent things and little things that I've already noticed, but everything comes down to price. And let's check the inside out. Oh, someone's already in here. Let's see what we got here. Interior is real sweet. Real sweet. So, alright, I'll check back when I get a little more information on her.
Hi, everybody.
He says, hey, everybody. Alright, got the overall not bad shape. I mean, it's got 400,000 on it. Obviously the frame and all that would get sandblasted, painted. Main thing is nothing's really leaking. Max, get down. I mean, the normal sweating and stuff haven't really I mean, this guy does his own maintenance. He's got his own truck parts store here. Obviously he knows what he's doing with dump trucks, so you got to kind of trust the system on that end. As far as we didn't drive it down the road or nothing, he's not here yet, so I didn't want to take it down the road. Bushings look decent. Yeah, I mean, so far it's looking decent. Just have to needs a serious bath. That's what it needs. I mean, I don't like that the hood's cracked and stuff. The other one, I didn't look at that yet. They're the two for sale, but I didn't look at that truck. I think the hood's a little better on that, but there's other issues on that I seen cosmetically, so gotta pick his brain on it, and I'll get back to you. All right, guys, we're back in Albany. So yeah, there was two trucks to choose from. They were both 2013s. Both those red ones. The first one I looked at had like 400,000. The other one was 300,000. So there was 100,000 miles difference. The second one I looked at was a little bit better, but then it also had some cosmetic issues. Overall, mechanically, I'm sure they're fine. They run every day, and the guy had a full-blown mechanic shop, and I talked to them, and he's gonna send me all the records Monday, the maintenance records on the one with less miles. I'm more interested in that. But yeah, you know, I'm kind of picky about the cosmetic stuff, but that could all be fixed over time, you know. And I'm, you know, obviously I'm more interested in the mechanics of the trucks. So that's what we've been looking for, was a T800 anyways, and that's a heavy duty spec truck, everything we want, right, Max?
Yep.
And he likes it, and it's my color, red. So we'll keep you posted on that, what happens there. So we're in negotiation, and I got to get all the maintenance records, and like I said. So hope you enjoyed that fun little road trip. We did, and we're gonna get ourselves into something else today. So have a good one. We'll check you Monday.